gonna do the laundry? Yes, girl, do the laundry for mommy.
It's right here.
Yes. You just work in that laundry machine.
It's right here.
Oh, you gonna buy that for me?
Yeah.
How much is it? How much is it? 19? Okay. Okay. You gonna get it for me for Christmas? Yeah? Alright. Let's go see something else.
Look, here, it's here.
Oh, you like that one too? Yeah? No. Look at the little nails. Yeah, you like that too, huh? Yeah? Ooh, buttons. Say buttons. Buttons. We like that one too? Ooh, that's fancy. I like the color. Yeah, fancy. Ooh, that's another fancy one. It's $10? Oh, more stuff? Okay. Ooh, refrigerators. Ooh, you like that refrigerator, girl? Oh, you like that one? Oh, whoa, dude. I didn't know that could do that. You're such a genius. You want to open it? Oh, boy. Whoa. Okay, let's show the sunshine. Oh, I like it. Got it, girl? Oh, oh, you got it. Oh. You like it? Whoa. Man. All right. Next one. Next one. Find another one. This one? Okay. Tell us about it. Can I do it? Okay. Wow. This is nice. I like the inside. I like the drawers. Or maybe just like slide. This is fancy. Ooh, the crispers glides out really soft and all bulky. And then the ice maker's in the door. And then on the side, you have enough space. Okay, so that's the inside. And then it has two drawers. Ooh, be careful, don't hurt yourself. Okay. I don't know about the double drawers though. I would like one big drawer. A fan. And then this is the freezer. It has more drawers here. Okay. Alright. Next one, ma'am. Oh, next one. That's the stove. That's the stove. It's pretty. I don't like those. I don't like any of these. This is okay. Nothing is on sale right now. Okay. Alright, so the ice maker is here taking up space. Let's see the crispers. They glide out pretty easy. And then you have another, what is this? Another little drawer, which I would want this to be separated. It glides out pretty easy. I would have wanted that to be separated. Okay. I'll close that. And then this is the freezer. Okay. These drawers are so bulky. I don't like the bulky. I don't like the bulky drawer. I feel like that's gonna break. That one doesn't have an handle. A handle. This is the refrigerator I was telling Rob about. This one right here. But it's the hub. So you'll have the tablet right here, and then you'll have handles. And this is what 22. I want a bigger. 22 doesn't work, but I like this. I like this, and I like the sleekness. But these are just, you know, I like that. And then this is the freezer part. Which there go the bulky drawers again. I don't like this. This is flimsy. I don't like that. But I like the sleekness. But the one I want has a handle here, and then down here is just like that, and then it has the hub. Okay, we're going that way later. Ooh, this is pretty. I love this. Ooh, I love this. This is beautiful. Close it. Alright, so this is the one that I want. But it's not on sale. This is the one I like. But I'm still contemplating whether or not I want another one. No, I'm good for right now. Thank you. I don't know if I want the tablet on the front. I'm so confused. Just don't give me option, because I get, yes babe, this way. That's why we haven't purchased a refrigerator, because I don't know what I want. It's such a big purchase. I'm gonna tell you why I'm such a basic person. I love this fridge for this. I don't like that the ice thing is right here, but I love this. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm basic. I'm so basic. This is the stove I want, but it has the flex thingy. I don't see it.
Mommy.
Oh, clearance. I would buy this right now. Why is it clearanced? Okay. This is clearanced out to $4.99. That's a good buy. What's wrong with it? That's the $1 million question. What is wrong with it? I'll buy this and give it to my kids for Christmas. Like, here you need clean clothes. Yes, dear. Okay, let's go this side. Let's go this way. Like this. Oh, it's separated? It doesn't have the feature to be one door. What do you want to show me? Go. Oh, you like that? That's gas. We don't have gas. We have electric. Go. And then you have this one, the door, which Maddie likes. Maddie likes this one. Yeah, she likes this one. I like the, you can open and right here and stuff. And then I just don't like this. Like, I don't like, yeah, I don't like this. But I like that the ice maker is not here, taking up the space. But it doesn't have the picture. I'm so basic. And then the crispers they glide out really nicely. I like that. Like, really nicely. I would get the one with the 2 drawer instead. If I just don't like that big bulky thing right there. But this is the LG InstaView. Come, madam. Let's go down here. And then you have this one. Which one is this? LG. Another InstaView. What's the difference? I guess price space. Is this one different? Yeah, this is different. I guess this is the cheaper model. Wow. Okay, close it. Okay. Alright, keep going. Ooh, Hisense looks like the Samsung. Way cheaper though. Way cheaper. Wow. Ooh la la. Ooh, this is nice. So much cheaper. What you hear? Okay. I like this. I like how high up it is. So we're done out of there. I got some contact paper. I'm gonna try to see if I can put this on the island. It was $7.48 and it covers 25 square feet. So I'm gonna try it out on the island. If it doesn't work, it was only $8. And then if it does work and hold up pretty well, I'm gonna put it on our surfaces where we use the most, like, yeah, around the sink and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out. It says it's laminate, and it looks, I wish I could show you guys, like, that's the color. Has a little bit of gray and white. I think it'll match with the kitchen perfectly. I have a cranky one right there. I was trying to go Christmas shopping. Still have to go to the kids' school. I just want to go home and crash. Like, I'm tired. So I'm gonna get out of here and then I'll let you guys know what I do. It's getting a little weird out over here. What's wrong? I'm studying sweet potato. So we made couscous. I don't even know if that's right. Sweet and sour meatball, or this is? No, this is jerk. Whatever. The toddler's eating. Is it good?
Which one's mine?
The first one is yours. The next one, Destiny, Jordan, and Jason. Is it good, Mommy? I'm giving the kids pasta tonight because we're trying to use up all the pasta from the pantry. Because I'm trying to get like a big grocery haul, like we're bare. I'm trying to use up all the stuff that we had. So I'm down to this little bit of pasta, and then we buy no more pasta from here on out. So, but Rob took all the canned stuff from there, put it here so I can use it up. And then I think I'm supposed to go grocery shopping tomorrow. But we're almost done with all the bad stuff in the house. Right, Mama? kiddos are eating it up.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy. Which one's mine? This one.
Yours, yeah. This is Jason's. There's a little bit of cheese. What? Oh, Rob made this egg. He's gonna have sweet potato. I don't want any. What do you want? You want couscous? What? What? Meatball? What? What? Sit down and eat your dinner. You don't even know what you're begging. Eat your dinner. Suck them tears up. Come on.
You don't stand up.
No, I don't want sweet potato. So I had to take up the contact paper off the island because Rob didn't like it. But it's what it is. You know, it's what it is. It was only $7. It was worth a try. But I don't like it. And it wasn't like, oh, I don't like it. You know. But yeah, whatever. Right, Maddie? Whatever. Anyways, this is gonna be a short, really short vlog tonight. I don't have anything else to add. Okay, I thought that was it, but Rob and I are gonna go for a walk. Just to go walk this food down. Tomorrow I have to work on laundry because my mother-in-law is coming here on Saturday. And I want the house to be completely clean. And then Christmas is right around the corner. So I have to start working on laundry. Which laundry is a pain for me. Yes, sir.
Maddie, you won't let me watch.
No. Look at him. He's getting so big, guys. That's my baby. That's my original baby. I believe so. Ask Daddy. But Rob and I are gonna go for a walk. And I need to bundle up because it's really cold. So let me go get my stuff on and then check back in with you guys. Oh, I stored them here. I stored them in here because I don't have anywhere else to put them. So that's where I put them. It's cold. Got a key? It's freaking freezing. Yeah. My face is like so cold. Freezing cold. But we did 42 minutes walking. And we're getting ready to go watch The Help. Because Rob and I were talking about the neighbors. So we're like, The Help! So I'm going to go watch The Help. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.